It is sweet. Try oysters by itself. Oh yeah, the Gulf oysters, guys. I love Gulf oysters. They're plump. They're meaty. They're not overly briny. Try a little cocktail sauce. Let's see. Thank you. You're right. These are amazing. Oh my gosh. It's like the right amount. Maybe get a plate for those.
Absolutely.
It's the right amount of like meaty, the little sweetness from the cocktail sauce. So it's horseradish. I actually really like Gulf oysters. That's a lot. Let's do it anyway. That's a club. But I love Gulf oysters because they're like, I don't enjoy overly briny. I find these are just a perfect amount of like brine, saltine.
They're nice, medium, mild is how we usually describe them.
Nice, medium, mild. Woo! Yeah, that is some strong horseradish, but absolutely delicious. Let's try a little pickled onion, because why not? One more onion up. Oh my gosh, guys. Everybody. Those are some of the best oysters I've had in a long time. I know we're kind of in the middle of the desert, being Tucson, but so fresh. Thank you so much. Just put it right here.
Okay.
How often does somebody make a joke about eating seafood in the desert?
About every 5 minutes.
Yeah, you're probably sick of it. Well, I just made one. What I will say, those are some of the best oysters I've had in a very long time. So fresh.
So happy to hear it. We get everything flown in fresh several times a week. Butcher all of our fish whole here, and
You butcher your fish?
yeah, so we try to make everything as fresh as possible.
Now I'm on the oysters, maybe I'll try one of these smoked ones. You just plain, or how do you eat it?
I like it with just a little of the pickled onion, personally.
Okay,
But
well, let's try first as it. Oh my gosh, yeah. Okay, so, if you've never had, well, some people, let me know what you think of raw oysters. Those are a little controversial. I like the smoked oyster. You know why? It tastes smoky. It tastes like a smoked fish. It's very delicate. It kind of tastes like pickled onions. That's a little zest, crunch. Interesting. Yeah, I don't think I don't actually. If I've had a smoked oyster, it's like out of a can. Never had it fresh like this before. Ooh, okay. That one was smooth. That had a little punch to it. Let's see. Let's put a little salt on it. It's really nice. Smoky flavor, and I think they acidity these onions, a little salt. And the chef did say, she knows I love salt. She loves salt too. She said, "Salt away, Joel. The salt's on the table." Oh my gosh, yeah. That's a bite, guys. Okay, it's just like barbecue. A little salt on that oyster. So awakens it. Have you ever tried it with a cocktail sauce or horseradish?
I have.
Is it good?
Both recommended.
Let's try this horseradish. I'll do that. The spicy horseradish. Maybe a little salt like that last time. Guys, let's try this out. Oh my gosh. I can eat way too many of these. Can you get these only in like the smoked trio or the platter thing?
Those are only available on the platter.